Trying to decide what to do today in Zermatt, because to get up there would cost us about, I don't know, 250 bucks plus the gondola. So not doing that. That's where we camped last night. Gorgeous campsite though. Surrounded by beautiful rocks, mountains. Look at that valley.
So I was taking pictures of Matterhorn when I heard bells. That's unheard of.
Oh, we had to turn there. I'm sure there's dozens of people a day who cycle up and down this. I really do. I think we'll be okay. Yeah, use your rear more, because that one, your front will actually stop you. So if anything ever failed, we want it to be your rear one. This is amazing. Wow, this is what I like about Switzerland. Downhill at a nice 15, 18 miles an hour. Ooh, new pavement. Oh, yeah. Gave the bikes a thorough once-over before heading down this hill, make sure the brakes were still intact, the mechanical discs didn't have to be adjusted at all. Made sure all of the skewers were good, really skewer, so we didn't have any loose wheels. Tires are inflated, everything's good. Because we sure don't want to have a stopping or wheel issue this high up and going 20-something miles an hour or faster. Taking it pretty leisurely. Olivia doesn't like speed. The old village or something, I don't know. Wonder who lived here and what they did. It's pretty cool though. Made it to our first town. Tosh, something like that. Woo! We've come to our first stop, Tosh, on our way down. 31 kilometers to go.
It's much more fun to ride downhill.
Can you believe it? We saved €100.
And like, I would pay €100 for this.
Yeah, this is awesome. And then you got the Alps way up there. And these beautiful water down here. There's the town of Tesch. Take a nice gravel mountain path. Sure, why don't I'll do that. No problem. I wish you could smell it. It smells like fresh water and pine and loamy soil and fresh air. It's just amazing. I don't know how we're ever gonna make it down this mountain when the views are so beautiful and we keep stopping. Look at the flowers, you're just riding by flowers. I told Olivia I'm going fast, so I got at least one good Swiss descent in me. Haven't quite hit 35 yet, that's when this bike spins out. There we go, 35. That's that nice descent. We got a not so steep ascent. This was the only one that the guy mentioned on the whole ride. When we asked if going from Zermatt to Visp is all downhill. He said 200 meter uphill. Yeah, we've ridden worse hills.
Yeah.
We made it to the top of the pass. Hopefully our only ascent of any note from just by Ronda here. 12% decline. Here we go. We've got some of those in Michigan. We biked up and down them a few times. Can't smell the brakes yet. What a nice place to put a town. Just had to pee on the side of the road, but here's a bathroom. Kind of funny. Oh wow, it's even plumbed. Go figure. Going to the land of Santa Claus. Or it's St. Nicholas. St. Nicklaus. Want to eat there or? Okay, ready? I thought we were going this way. Okay, stay, go, go, go. .3 kilometers through a tunnel. Here we go. Under a mountain, here we go. You got me in front or you want to be in front?
I was way in front.
All right.
I mean, I don't think I'll get lost.
It's so long, it has its own name.
It's long and scary.
And loud.
I hope it's not as loud as its name.
Getting there, we made it to Stalden. Now on the way to Visp, which is good. It kind of feels like the brakes have about had it. Need to be adjusted, but I don't want to adjust them yet.